Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an extra 20% discount plus bonus $10 gift on Hostinger hosting. Now I am going to the detailed post. I also add this post link inside the video description. So let's get started. Step 1, how to get an extra 20% discount. Just click on Get Bonus Now button. It will auto redirect to the Hostinger website. Look at here, extra 20% off applied at checkout. Now I am going to the plan section. You can able to select any plan from here. Now I will select this plan. Look at here, extra 20% discount auto applied here. You can also able to change the time period from here. Let's select 12 month. Look at here, auto extra 20% also applied here. Then click on continue to complete your purchase. Once your purchase will be completed, then you will get bonus $10 gift value from us. Now I will show you how to get that bonus. I am again going to the post. Look at here, a list of premium product. You can able to select 2 premium items from this. It's totally free for you and it will be valid for on website for lifetime. How to claim your bonus gift? You have already purchased Hostinger plan through our affiliate link. Email us at info@ofhit.com using the same email you use for purchase the plan, and subject will be claiming free bonus gift with Hostinger package. In the email include your WordPress login details and the name of 2 bonus item you want. Finally, we will activate your selected 2 premium items on your website completely free. If you have any question, you can knock us on WhatsApp for instant support. I will add a WhatsApp link inside the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to us.